What's up, everybody? Welcome into another JHow Tech Tip, where we're going to talk about how to quickly and easily change the location and move games from your origin games from one drive to another, assuming maybe you need some space on your main drive, or maybe you got a new drive and you're looking to clear up some space and move things around. This video is going to show you how to do it very quickly and very easily. First, you want to go into your origin, you want to go to application settings, then you're going to go to installs and saves. Here you're going to look and see, all right, what is my current location? My game library location is origin games. Now, perhaps I've changed this before. That doesn't mean that it's not in another folder. That's just my current one. Let's say I got a new drive and I want to change folders. It's going to open up this. I'm going to go to my PC, and then I'm going to see that I have my new E drive where I'm putting all of my games. All I have to do is go here. I've already created one, but let's say I name it. I just hit new folder. I hit OK. I'll use the one that I created. I'm going to click on that. You're going to see the folder is here. I'm going to hit select folder. You'll get a prompt saying the installation directory for your new games has changed. This won't affect your currently installed games. They'll remain in their original location, meaning that if you've changed this before, they might be somewhere else. I'm going to hit close. Now for me, I want to move Apex Legends. As you can see, I had changed mine a long time ago to still be in the original C drive. My program's x86, then I go to Origin Games, and now I see that Apex is here. This is the game that I want to move. It's very simple. All I want to do is I want to copy paste this. I don't necessarily want to cut, because if I'm cutting and maybe something happens in the middle of it, my files might get lost. Instead, I want to copy. Because this is a pretty large game, it's going to take a while depending on whether you have solid states and so on and so forth and everything that's going on your computer. So sit back, relax. This might take a few. I just want to either right click and copy or hit copy or Control C. I can now go to my media folder. I can go here to my Origins game folder, and now I can hit Control V or right click and paste. I do have nice solid state drive, so this won't take a long time for me, but that's it. And now whenever I install games in the future, they'll also be going to this location. So now I'm just consolidating everything. And normally when you're doing this, it's because you're freeing up space on your main drive, your main Windows drive, so that you can make room and just use that for other things while you put your games on maybe a solid state drive that's going to be on another one. And you try and balance that out accordingly. And that's pretty much all it takes to move your Origin games from one drive to another. If you liked the video, feel free to hit that like button or leave a comment below letting me know what you thought about this or some other tips that you might have run into as well. Also, be sure to subscribe for more updates and other things going on here on the Tech channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.